Good morning, student. Again, welcome to our online class on second session. All right. So second session on Friday, we're going to study Treehouse 3, and today we will continue our unit 9, the candy factory. Okay, the candy factory. Okay, so before we continue our unit 9, let's review first. All right, everyone, please open your book on page 106, 107. All right, here we go. All right, so now teacher want to ask students a few questions. So do you see machine? All right, do you see machine? Where is it, everyone? Yes, I can see it is over here. Okay, all right, so do you see clothes? Do you see clothes, everyone? Yes, I can see clothes. It's over here. So where is Candy King? Where is Candy King? Okay, he is Candy King. All right. So this is inside the factories of making candy, everyone. So how do we make candies? Do you remember? How do we make candies? Okay, we make candy by using this special machines. All right, how do we make candy? We use this special machine by putting clothes into the machines, and then it produces candy. All right, you remember? Yes. And then if Monty and kangaroos make a good candies, he will have chance to meet the king. All right, okay. And we have to help him by doing 3 things: get the clothes, make the candies, and meet the king. All right, okay. So we finished reviewing, and now let's open your book on page 108 over here. So today we will study about old clothes. Okay, old clothes. You got it? Okay. So before we learn something in the book, teacher have 6 vocabulary to teach all of you, all right? And now let's see vocabulary first. Okay, so the first word, this one we say scarf. Scarf, all right? Scarf. Scarf. Here this is a scarf, all right? We put it on our necks, or maybe on our head. All right, that's called scarf. Or maybe you can use it for cleaning your face or cleaning your hand. But this one, scarf, we use it to put on our neck. Okay, scarf. And this one, okay, I hope that you know this. Okay, watch. Watch. This one is watch. And this one is coat. Coat, all right, it's a coat, it's a big jacket, it's a big coat, all right, it's a big clothes that you put it when winter, all right, during winter, because you cold, and when you put coat, it make you warm, all right, coat, this is a coat. And then this is boots, all right, boots, this one, boots, okay. It's kind of shoes, but it has long necks. Okay, that's we call boots. All right. Sometimes you wear it to make sure that your legs will not dirty. All right, that's called boots. And this is what we call glasses. Glasses. All right, glasses. You put it on your face to make sure that you see things clearly. All right. Okay, glasses. This one is jeans. Jeans. Okay? Jeans. Jeans. A long trousers. Alright? It is thick. That's we call jeans. Okay? Alright, so we have scarf, watch, coat, book, boots, glasses, and jeans. Alright? Please take note it and remember it. Okay? Alright, so that's all for 6 vocabularies. Okay, so now let's open your book again, everyone, on page 108. 8. Teacher will play track for you, alright everyone? So when you listen to the track, don't forget to say along the track, alright? You say something like, yes, this is a scarf. No, this is a coat. Yes, these are boots. No, these are jeans, alright? So you have to repeat after the track, alright? You got it? Okay, so now let's start.
Track 94. Now chant along. It is June. A mule goes to a dune. The mule sees the rule by the dune. I don't like the rule, says the mule. There is a tune around the dune. I like the tune, says the mule.
Okay, everyone, so after you listen to the track, did you repeat after the track, okay? Okay, so I hope that good student will repeat the track, okay? So now, look at the whiteboard all together, here and here. So teacher will ask you, what is this, alright? Okay, so now, please answer teacher. Is this a shirt? Everyone, is this a shirt? Is this a shirt, everyone? Okay. If it is not a shirt. So you say, no, this is a coat. No, this is a coat. Okay? Alright. So one more. Is this a scarf? Is this a scarf? Is this a scarf, everyone? Yes, this is a scarf. Yes, this is a scarf. Alright? Okay. So this one. Is this a bag? Is this a bag? Can you answer? No, this is a watch. Okay. No, this is a watch. Is this a book? Is this a book? No, these are classes. These are classes. Okay? Alright. This one. Is this a pen? This is a pen. No, these are boots. No, these are boots. Okay? You got it? Alright. Learn how to say yes or no when teacher asks you, what is this? Okay? Alright. So now everyone, it's the end of our second session on Friday. Teacher would like to say goodbye and I hope everybody have a nice weekend. Goodbye everyone.